Understanding how real estate value is determined is an important part of both the Arizona real estate exam and real-world real estate transactions. Buyers, sellers, lenders, and investors all rely on accurate property valuation to make informed decisions. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we're covering the core concepts of property valuation and appraisal. Let's begin with the idea of market value. Market value is the most probable price a property would sell for in a competitive and open market, assuming that both the buyer and the seller are well informed and acting in their own best interest. In other words, market value reflects what a typical buyer is willing to pay and what a typical seller is willing to accept under normal conditions. Now let's discuss the role of an appraiser. An appraiser is a trained professional who estimates the value of a property using standardized valuation methods. Lenders often require an appraisal during the mortgage process to ensure that the property is worth at least the amount being borrowed. It's important to remember that an appraiser provides an opinion of value, not a guaranteed price. Next, let's talk about comparative market analysis, often called a CMA. A CMA is typically prepared by a real estate agent or broker to estimate a property's market value based on recently sold comparable properties. While a CMA can help buyers and sellers understand market conditions, it is not the same as a formal appraisal performed by a licensed appraiser. Now let's discuss the three primary appraisal approaches. The first is the sales comparison approach. This method estimates value by comparing the subject property to recently sold properties with similar characteristics. Adjustments may be made for differences such as square footage, location, condition, or amenities. This approach is commonly used for residential properties. The second method is the cost approach. The cost approach estimates value by determining how much it would cost to rebuild the property today, including the cost of land and construction minus any depreciation. This method is often used for newer properties or unique buildings where comparable sales may be limited. The third method is the income approach. This method estimates property value based on the income the property generates. Investors often use the income approach when evaluating rental properties or commercial real estate. Another concept that appears frequently on the exam is highest and best use. Highest and best use refers to the most profitable legal use of a property. To qualify as the highest and best use, a potential use must be legally permissible, physically possible, financially feasible, and maximally productive. Understanding how real estate professionals estimate property value is essential for both the Arizona licensing exam and real estate practice. In part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions covering appraisal methods, market value concepts, and highest and best use. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.